Hi guys, welcome to YouTubes of India. It's me, Arsh. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money using Adsense on blogging or on website. So guys, let's go on to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money by putting advertisement. So first, search on Google AdSense. By searching AdSense, you will reach to a platform where you will get many websites, Google AdSense, many. You should click the first one, Google AdSense, make the most of your concept. Then it will reach to a platform where it's a personal website of Google AdSense. You should sign in using your account. You can use your Google account, or even you can enter your email and number, your name, and just sign in. So I'm saying minimum you need 10 posters in your blog to take ads. That ad should be public, means it should be very famous. If this blog becomes most famous, then you will get a lot of ads, but at the starting time you will only get a small amount of vlogs. So guys, put a lot of posters, then you will get a lot of views. So I am saying you should look the visual what I am putting on your video, not by hearing what I am saying. I'm just saying the procedure. You should look the visuals what I am given on the video and just do what you want to do, not the thing I said. I'm just saying a summary introduction of the whole video. So guys, if you like to do this, please do by looking at the video, not by hearing. So I'm doing this all. So clicking on that, you'll get a program. You should copy it. You should copy this program. So guys, as I said before, please like, subscribe and comment. From there you should go on to layout, and I'm just going and looking out my posters, how many posters I had posted. So there are a lot of posters, about 20 to 23, maybe more than that. So I'm just going on to layout again. In layout, I'm taking the gadgets, the place. As I said in the before video, we can adjust the place what we want. So I'm giving a title ads in that gadget and just pasting the program which I had copied before. So as we finished, I'm going to just click it on. So you can see that a new ad is published on my blog. So guys, let's like, subscribe and comment, also share to most of the people. So bye.